Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about clickable links in the compile screen in Scrivener 3 for Windows. I'm sure some of you wonder why I didn't suggest to click off the remove all hyperlinks when creating paperbacks. I know, it seems to make sense. Then you wouldn't have to check your Word file for links you didn't want. This is why. The Remove All Hyperlinks checkbox is the same box for both paper and digital. So if you click off for one, you'll have to remember to click on for the other. It would be much better if this was specific to the format. But you have to choose which you're more likely to remember, because unless you have an actual checklist that you use every time you compile, you are probably going to forget. I find it easier to remember to check a paperback for links, because I already have a ton of other things to check. You might prefer it the other way around. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.